Hi. Welcome to another edition of Stephen's Advantage and Advantage Scientific Educational Videos. Today's topic is site conditions. Preparations for installing architectural casework. The installation of custom architectural casework generally includes labor, tools, equipment, adhesives and/or fasteners, common blocking, furring, and hanging devices for the support or attachment of the casework. Large, detailed tables and in-depth information on proper installation methods are explained in the current AWI Architectural Woodwork Standards. Unless required by the specifications, the installer shall not be responsible to provide structural grounds or blocking inside partitions or above finished ceiling or below finished floor. Supply exposed materials other than wood, solid surfacing or plastic laminate. Or, apply factory or site-applied finish to casework. Fill nail or screw holes in unfinished or primed casework. Caulk to fill between casework and any wall, floor, and/or ceiling imperfections. Prepare wall, floor, or ceiling to accept the casework. Or, install electrical, telephone, plumbing, computer or mechanical equipment, including grommets and wire management. Supply electrical power, water, hoisting, sanitary, or waste disposal services. Supply fastening devices unrelated to the casework being installed. Or, provide build-ups to level floor or walls in excess of a ½ inch at any one point. It is the responsibility of the general contractor to ensure the establishment and maintenance of proper site conditions. Architectural casework is a finished trade and should be installed after ceilings, plumbing, flooring, etc. Walls, ceilings, floors and openings must be level, plumb, straight, in-line, and/or square. Architectural casework shall not be subjected to extremes of temperature and humidity. The relative humidity during the time of installation should remain within the range to be maintained during occupancy. Areas to receive architectural casework must be fully enclosed with windows installed and glazed, exterior doors in place, HVAC systems operational and temporary openings closed. All preparatory work done by others shall be subject to inspection by the architectural casework installer and may be accepted or rejected prior to installation. Rough openings which are installed by the general contractor shall be built square, in plane, and to the proper dimensions. Architectural casework should be allowed to come to equilibrium on site prior to installation. A minimum of 72 hours shall be allowed for best results. Factory finished casework may require a week or more to acclimate. The installation team has significant responsibilities too. When required, the installer shall submit evidence of having adequate equipment, including all required safety personal protective equipment and experienced workers to complete the installation. The installation team must have access to the job site to inspect all preparatory work done by others and shall accept or reject conditions prior to installation. This provision is not designed to delay the work, but helps move the installation along by assuring proper conditions for success. The installer must also be responsible to receive and distribute casework to its proper locations. During the site inspection, a review of the manufacturer's shop drawings is required. The shop drawings and the physical materials must coordinate with the architectural drawings, the specifications, and the job site conditions. A few minutes invested at this point in the installation pays big dividends. The installer is to provide all cutouts through casework necessary to accommodate electrical, telephone, mechanical, or plumbing equipment. This requires a high level of workmanship under often trying conditions. All nails on exposed and semi-exposed surfaces must be countersunk. Care must be taken to avoid open joints, visible machine marks, tears, nicks, chips, scratches, and, of course, casework must be installed level and plumb within specified tolerances. On all factory-finished casework installations, installers must do all filling of nail holes and touch-up on pre-finished casework with blending filler. Delivering casework to a job site before the site is dried in and humidity controlled can cause the wood to lose moisture, or more probably, take on additional moisture, and move disproportionately to each other. Installing casework the same day it is delivered can cause problems as well. The casework has not come to equilibrium with the environment in which it's destined to live before it is fastened in place. Bad storage conditions at the site have a similar effect. This is usually the result of very new concrete or a storage area with temperatures out of control. Finally, casework that's installed too soon will usually suffer from swelling or shrinking. Most often the general contractor forces the delivery and installation of casework before the building is ready. In summary, we all understand the many hours of labor required to bring the casework to the point of installation. In most cases, the casework is delivered to the job site in fine condition. Failing to take the time and care needed to do a quality installation degrades the casework delivered by the manufacturer. Best results are achieved when you don't take shortcuts on installation.